In this scenario, we're going to be completing this assignment or task about permission set. So what it says is, we have one prerequisite that says before you start this assignment, update the test user's profile to remove the access to or for the student object. So we have this custom student object, and if that users, in our case, if that test user's profile has access to the student object, we're going to remove that as a prerequisite of this assignment. And what we will do is, first we will change the test user's profile back to custom standard user. So let's go ahead and do that. Because currently our test user cannot log in, right? Because we set that login hours on his profile and he's locked out. So let's change this back to the custom standard user and save. And then we will go back to the test user's profile and check it. And we're going to check if that if the profile has access to student object. So we can search student from here and open the object. And so currently the test user do not have access. So that means we are good to start working on this assignment.